5 mistakes you're probably making with indoor air plants Tillandsia, and how to fix them. 1. Overwatering, the mistake. Soaking them too often or leaving them wet too long. To fix, air plants only need a 20 to 30 minute soak once a week, less in humid environments. Shake them dry completely and place them upside down to avoid rot. 2. Not enough light, the mistake. Keeping air plants in dark corners or away from sunlight. To fix, bright, indirect light is ideal. Near a south or east-facing window works best. Artificial grow lights can supplement if natural light is limited. 3. Poor air circulation, the mistake. Placing them in enclosed terrariums or glass globes with no airflow. To fix, air plants need fresh air to dry out properly. Use open displays and ensure good ventilation in the room. 4. Using tap water with chemicals, the mistake. Soaking in chlorinated tap water or softened water. To fix, use rainwater, distilled water, or let tap water sit out 24 hours to dechlorinate before use. 5. Neglecting to feed them, the mistake. Assuming they don't need nutrients. To fix, mist or soak with a bromeliad, air plant fertilizer monthly. It helps growth and encourages blooming. Would you like a printable version or infographic of these tips? Thanks for your watching this video.